Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my channel. I'm back again with a brand new video and I hope you all are well as well. Okay, so as in the previous videos, we talked about the parts of a leaf. So today in this video, we'll move a step ahead. In this video, we'll talk about one of the most important and prominent function of a leaf, which is photosynthesis. Alright, manufacture of food or photosynthesis. So it is the main function of a leaf. If I tell you in a very short kind of wordings that what photosynthesis is, so I would say that all the green leaves prepare their own food with the help of carbon dioxide and water in the presence of chlorophyll and sunlight. During this process, oxygen gas is produced as a byproduct and life is possible on the earth due to the presence of oxygen, and so and so. But you might get confused now. That is why in this video we will discuss about the term photosynthesis, the process of photosynthesis in detail. Alright. So all the green plants, they make their own food. That is why they are known as autotrophs. What are they known as? Autotrophs. Let me write it for you. Autotrophs. Here the word auto. Auto means self. Troph means nourishment. Alright, so such kind of nutrition in which the plants make their own food is known as autotrophic nutrition. Alright, now plants make their own food by the process, the most prominent process or function of a leaf, which is known as photosynthesis. Like you can see the word written here. Now if we look at the meaning of this word, like what does this word mean exactly? So here the term photo means light, and the term synthesis means to build. Therefore, the word photosynthesis means building up by light. Yeah, exactly, building up by light. Now, if I come and now that you know that what does the word photosynthesis mean, and it's a function, the most important function of a leaf, now you need to know the definition of photosynthesis. So the process by which green plants like this one make their own food or glucose from carbon dioxide, okay, from carbon dioxide and water in the presence of oxygen. I'm sorry, in the presence of sunlight, and chlorophyll is called photosynthesis. All right. Now all the green plants need some kind of products for making food, like when we go in the kitchen and start making food, so we need ingredients now. So as you people know that leaf is known as the kitchen of the plant. So now the kitchen is full, full of various ingredients and all, and every recipe needs ingredient. Whenever we come and whenever we go to cook something, we need ingredients, right? Similarly, the green plants need some kind of ingredients to make their food. So the first and the basic ingredient that they require is water from the soil. This water from the soil. Yep, exactly. Now the second ingredient that they need is carbon dioxide from the air. Carbon dioxide from the air. The third thing that they require is chlorophyll, which is already present in the leaf. And the fourth thing that they require is energy, which comes from the sunlight. Yeah, because sun is the main source of energy on the earth. That is why energy, which is a major ingredient in the preparation of food by the plants, so where does that energy come from? It comes from the sunlight. Yep, exactly. Okay, now we know that the process of photosynthesis mainly occurs in leaves, right? Now the cells of leaves that contain chlorophyll are present in the upper side of the leaf. Hence they receive the maximum sunlight. Okay, now let me show you another picture to explain it in a better way. Then we'll come back to this diagram. All right. Okay, so this was the picture about which I was talking. Okay, so Yeah, I was telling you that the cells of the leaves that contain chlorophyll are present in the upper side of the leaves. Hence, they receive the maximum sunlight. Okay, so like in this picture, you can see that we have a leaf which has veins, lamina, and the midrib. We have discussed these parts in the previous videos. You can watch that. Now, when you look at a clearer or a zoomed view of the leaf, so you get to know or you find that this is the upper epidermis. Then the cells which contain chlorophyll, as I already told, that the cells of the leaves that contain chlorophyll are present in the upper side of the leaf, just below the upper epidermis. And then we have the vascular bundles, which are the xylem and the phloem, and then the stoma for the passage of air and all, exchange of gases and all, and then the lower epidermis. Okay, now let's discuss. So, the veins present in leaves carry water to the cells containing chlorophyll. Now, the veins which are present inside the cell, what they do is they carry water to the cells containing chlorophyll. That means to these cells which are containing chlorophyll. Now, numerous tiny pores are present on the lower surface of the leaves. Like on the lower surface means, lower epidermis. On the lower epidermis, we have numerous tiny pores, and these pores are known as the stomata, and the singular is stoma. Alright, stoma is the singular and stomata is the plural. Stomata. Okay, so these are the tiny pores present on the lower surface of the leaves. Now the stomata open into small air cavities inside the leaves. Small air cavities inside the leaves. Now carbon dioxide enters the leaves through stomata and reaches the cells containing chlorophyll. Getting my point? The stomata open into small air cavities inside the leaves. Now the carbon dioxide, the CO2 which is present, CO2, the CO2 enters the leaves through the stomata or the stoma and reaches the cells containing chlorophyll. I hope you all are understanding. Okay, now let's talk further. Okay, now before we get to know more about photosynthesis, the occurrence and all, we need to know about the structure of stomata. Right, so I'm stopping this video here. All right, now we'll meet in the part 2 of the video, so stay tuned and watch the part 2 of the video in which we'll talk about the stomata. All right, the parts of stomata, and then in the third part of the video we'll talk about the occurrence and the end products of photosynthesis. So do watch all the 3 videos simultaneously. I'm sorry, not simultaneously. Watch all the 3 videos one by one and carefully. So this is all for today. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Meet you in the next video very, very soon, inshallah. Stay tuned.